what if I told you that one of the most brilliant lessons in efficiency doesn't come from some high-tech software, but from a plate of hash browns? It sounds kind of crazy, right? Well, hi, I'm Alex, and as a master black belt trainer with Six Sigma Development Solutions, Inc., I've seen some pretty complex systems, but honestly, this is one of my favorite stories to tell. Today, we're going to peek behind the counter at a Waffle House kitchen to uncover a hidden system that proves without a doubt that the most powerful ideas are usually the simplest. Let's dive in. So if you've ever been to a Waffle House, you know the vibe. It's fast, it's loud, the server yells out this long, complicated order, scattered, smothered, covered, chunked, and the cook just turns around and makes it perfectly. There's no computer screen, no little paper ticket. You'd think they have some kind of photographic memory, a real superpower, but it's not about memory at all. The real secret is a system. It's this beautiful, simple, visual language that tells the cook everything they need to know, just at a glance. It's an absolute masterclass in what we in the biz call lean visual signals, a method that practically eliminates errors while getting food out at an incredible speed. Okay, so how in the world does this all work? Let's pull back the curtain. We're about to decode the secret language of the Waffle House grill. The big idea behind all of this is a concept called Kanban. It's a Japanese word that just means signboard, and it's all about using a visual signal to trigger an action. And at Waffle House, every single empty plate becomes its own little Kanban board, telling the cook exactly what to do. No words needed. Now here's where it gets really clever. They create this entire code using stuff they already have lying around. See a jelly packet sitting right side up on the plate? That means white toast. Is it upside down? That's wheat toast. A slice of cheese sitting on one side of the plate tells the cook the hash browns are scattered and covered. It's a language that anyone can learn in like 5 seconds. And the system just keeps going. One little butter packet, that's one waffle. 2 packets, 2 waffles. Easy. Even the way a mustard packet is placed can signal how well done the meat should be. And this is the part that just blows me away. These are items that were going to end up on the plate anyway. They've just given them a second job to communicate clearly and instantly. Okay, so you might be wondering, how do they keep all the orders straight? Well, it's another super simple visual trick. They just line the plates up in the order the server brought them. The cook starts at one end and works their way to the other. First in, first out. It's fair, it's orderly, and it requires zero extra effort to manage. So we've seen what they're doing, but let's talk about why it works so dang well. This isn't just some clever kitchen hack. It's a perfect example of a powerful philosophy called lean. Just think about it. The Waffle House way is instant. The cook sees the signal and starts cooking. Compare that to a typical kitchen, where a cook has to stop, find the right ticket, read it, maybe it's got grease on it, and then start. All that searching and reading, that's non-value added waste. This system completely gets rid of it. And this right here gets to the absolute heart of lean thinking. A good system should free people up to do the thing that actually adds value. Waffle House doesn't want its cooks to be expert ticket readers. It wants them to be expert cooks. This system lets them do just that. It's pure, simple efficiency. You know, so many companies get this backward. They have a problem and they immediately jump to buying some expensive, complicated software to fix it. But that's step 3. The lean way says you always start with step 1. Simplify. Try to fix the process with the tools you already have. And Waffle House? Well, they absolutely nailed it. The question they must have asked themselves is just genius. It wasn't, what technology can we buy? It was, how can we do this with what's already in our hands? And the answer was right there on the counter. The jelly packets, the mustard, the cheese. It's a zero-cost, high-impact solution that works better than systems that cost thousands of dollars. All right, so this is a really cool story about a restaurant, but what does it mean for you in your job? Well, turns out these ideas apply to just about everything. If there is one thing you take away from this, let it be this right here. The best, most effective systems are simple. They're visual. They don't need a 300-page manual. The best systems are the ones where anyone, a brand new employee, your boss, anyone, can walk in, look at it, and get it instantly. And I mean it when I say this works everywhere. It doesn't matter if you're on a factory floor, if you're managing a project in an office, or if you're designing a service for customers. The core principles of clear, simple, visual communication will always make things better. So this leads me to a question for you. I want you to really think about this. Where is your Waffle House opportunity? In your daily work, where are you relying on long emails or confusing spreadsheets or wordy instructions when a simple visual signal could do the job better, faster, and with fewer mistakes. Finding that opportunity, that's the first step. And learning how to build these kinds of systems, mastering visual management, is one of the most powerful skills you can have for making any process work better. Because at the end of the day, this isn't really about waffles and hash browns. It's about cutting out the noise, reducing errors, increasing speed, and designing systems that empower people to do their absolute best work. It's a simple idea for sure, but the impact is huge. The Waffle House just goes to show you that the most amazing solutions are often the simplest ones hiding in plain sight. If you want to learn how to apply the tools behind these ideas, tools like Kanban for signaling work or Pokeyoke for mistake-proofing your own processes, we'd love to show you how. You can learn more at sixsigmadsi.com. It's a powerful lesson in efficiency served up fresh. Thanks for watching.